Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with two active displays. Make sure your OS shows them as extended, not mirrored. Open DaVinci Resolve and load a project so you can see immediate changes. Once done, set the second monitor to full screen or extended desktop in System Settings. Resolve expects a separate display area. Now, don't change other workspace elements yet. Go to the View menu in Resolve and prepare to assign panels. This is the fastest path to enable dual screen controls without losing your current layout. You'll now assign the heavy panels across displays. First, turn on dual screen under Workspace and choose the monitor arrangement you want. Next, click and drag the viewer or timeline out of the main window onto the second display. Resolve detaches panels as floating or full screen depending on your setting. Make sure to position the inspector and scopes where they are most useful. Finally, save this as a layout preset so you can recall the exact configuration. This prevents redoing the work each session. Finish by testing playback and scrubbing across both monitors. Monitor GPU usage and drop to cache or proxies if you see frames drop. Make sure color calibration holds on the second screen and confirm Resolve is using your preferred GPU and preferences. This avoids performance mismatches. If a panel vanishes or the second screen shows a black window, toggle dual screen off and on, reload your saved layout, or reset the workspace. That simple sequence fixes most display misassignments and restores your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.